Hi guys, Namaste and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share a few tips on how to stay motivated and positive during these COVID times. So let's get into this video. Remember one important thing guys, don't panic once you have heard you have got this virus or some other family member got it. Let me tell you one thing, you're not alone and we are all in the same boat. It's a constant roller coaster of emotions, I understand, but remember guys, just be kind to yourself and also to others. Let's be more supportive because this world really needs it. Kindness costs nothing. It's a language that nobody can hear, yet everybody can see it and feel it. Let this be our main motto in our lives. Always try to use positive words wherever you go in your whole entire life. Words are magical. It can make you, heal your soul, inspire you. So choose it wisely. It might be stormy now, but rain doesn't last forever. Nothing is permanent, guys. Remember this. Don't stress yourself in any kind of bad situation because things will change. Living is a luxury at this moment, guys, because people are dying in insane amount of numbers. The breath that you just took is a blessing. Embrace each and every breath you're taking. Celebrate your life. Don't die before your death. This too shall pass. Remember this, guys. God has a greater plan for you. I don't know what, but He surely has. Believe that you have a better life ahead of you. Believe that there's gonna be a better world. During this entire COVID season, you are your own hero. Like you have to know that you are the only one that can stick up for yourself and advocate for yourself cause you're worth it. We always expect ease from life. We have this amazing fantasy about life. This is how things should work. This is my plan. If it doesn't happen, then we give up. So friends, let me tell you one thing. This life is all about tests and trials. Tests and trials are never supposed to be easy. They are supposed to make you stronger. Tests and trials are not meant to make you fail, but to see how far you can fly. God gives His strongest battles to His strongest soldiers. You need to maintain your calm and peace at all times during this time. Find ways to do things that you love. Just continue doing that. You love painting, continue doing it. Add more colors to your life. You love watching some shows, continue doing that. You love writing, do it. You love listening music, then do it. If you can only carry one thing throughout your entire life, let it be hope. Let it be hope that better things are always ahead. Let it be hope that you can get through every tough times you have been put to. Let it be hope that you are stronger than any challenge that comes your way. So guys, please stay safe, take care of yourself, stay healthy. Signing off, this is Jeannie Enoch. Meet you in another video and thank you for watching.